So now that we know how to boot the OnePlus 6 into Fastboot Mode, today I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader of this device. Now you're going to need to unlock the bootloader if you want to flash any kind of images that are not signed by OnePlus themselves. This includes a custom ROM, various modifications, such as TWRP or any other custom recovery. Now before we actually boot into Fastboot Mode, we're going to need to enable Developer Mode on our OnePlus 6. We do that by going into the About section and then tapping on the Build number option about 7 to 10 times. Then we will be marked as a developer. Then we're going to go back into the main settings page, go into developer options. We're going to need to enable the OEM unlocking option right here. This is a security layer that Google has added into Android, and that prevents somebody from stealing your phone and then instantly booting into Fastboot Mode and then unlocking the bootloader so they can steal the data on your device. In this method, they would need to know your PIN, pattern, or password in order to unlock the device to trigger this feature. So once you have enabled OEM unlocking, we're then going to boot over into Fastboot Mode, which is also known as Bootloader Mode. And again, I've included step-by-step instructions on how to do all of this, how to install all those ADB and Fastboot tools, and how to get you up and running in the full tutorial. Alright, so once we are in Fastboot Mode, we're going to need to make sure we have our USB cable connected from our PC to the OnePlus 6. And we're going to type out the command fastboot space flashing space unlock in our command prompt. Once we have those 3 words typed out, we're just going to press the enter button on the keyboard. And you see that's going to instantly bring up this warning screen. It tells us by unlocking the bootloader, we will be able to install custom operating systems, such as custom ROMs and custom kernels and custom recoveries. And they just want to make sure that they cannot guarantee the software integrity when you unlock this. So once you are sure you want to proceed, we're just going to press the volume down or volume up buttons until this highlighter color comes up. Make sure the unlock the bootloader option is highlighted, and then press the power button to select it. So we're told the bootloader is unlocked, and it is going to wipe all of the data we have on our device. All of your contacts, your account, your Wi-Fi password, it's all going to be wiped unless you do a backup ahead of time. And this first boot cycle is going to take a little bit longer than normal, again because we have just done a factory data reset. So Android needs to set some things up ahead of time so that you can activate your account and get signed in. And again, just be patient during this boot cycle. So there we go. And we are right back into Oxygen OS, and we're right in the activation screen. So that is how to unlock the bootloader of the OnePlus 6.